Sumit, how are you?
I'm good, Pallavi. Thank you.
So, congratulations for being accepted as speaker for the Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance. I would be requesting you to please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Pallavi, and thanks to entire ATA team for having this opportunity to share some meaningful and important knowledge with all the community. Uh, I'm Sumit Mudara. I'm test automation professional, having more than a decade of experience into automation testing and quality assurance. I'm very passionate about automation testing and doing a lot of automation related stuff, and also very active member in terms of associated with ATA and other forums to be able to share my knowledge. I really believe in keep learning and keep sharing. I did my graduation in BTech Electronics and Telecom, and after that I did CDAC from Pune, and right now I'm doing a post-graduation master program from Great Lakes and Texas Austin University in AI/ML. And that's where I really like to talk about AI/ML and exactly give some of the use cases what we can see or can expect in terms of artificial intelligence and machine learning coming into a space of test automation. So yeah, that's about me.
Okay, that's good to know, Sumit. So, your talk is indeed about AI, ML, and testing and
Yeah.
things to look for in future. And are we ready for it? So,
Hmm.
do you think that as the testing community right now is ready to imbibe AI and ML, or they have already started imbibing? What's your read on it?
First of all, particularly AML has, I think we should not discriminate like AML in testing. I think AML is everywhere. I mean, it is a part of software product. It is everywhere. And, but obvious, it is also touching the way we are doing traditional software testing because you have such kind of a sophisticated product, right?
Mhm.
This talk is to cover some of the case studies, some of the use cases wherein particularly we can be able to strategize such kind of a testing where you are dealing with AIML product. Okay.
Mhm.
And also, I think Pallavi, as you rightly asked, do we already have it? I think it is already there. We have visual test automation, autonomous testing,
Mhm.
AI based, pattern recognition, self-healing. So things are already there, but there is a huge scope of using this AI ML algorithms in testing, particularly in automation, to do some better quality assurance.
Okay. Thank you for that insight, Sumit. And we look forward to your talk on December 11th. And I'm sure audience would learn a lot from this. Thank you so much for
Thank
bringing
you,
this to
Pallavi.
KKR.
Thank you, ATA. Yeah.